Hey, it's Ranger 374 coming to you from the Bass Cave again. Um, Told you in the last video I had another small box behind me. That's from Tackle Warehouse also. Just a small box. This is to replace the money I was spending on the MTB boxes, mystery tackle boxes. Took that money and put it to just some new baits that came out that I just wanted to try. So show them to you now. It is the X-Zone Lures Adrenaline Crawl. Got that in whatever color they want to call June bug. Yeah, they call this one June bug, so duh. Anyway, see that? Just a new creature bait I wanted to try from X-Zone. Try that one out. I finally got these. I was a little behind on this one color here. It's Skeet's Hot Crawl in the Pit Boss. They're on back order. Couldn't get them things. But anyway, it's like red shad color almost. Kind of an old school. Try them out. But I've got 3 bags of them. Just so I know when I was going to get another one. Anyway, I got the, I don't buy a whole lot of Mega Bass. Man, their stuff's just, it's through the roof expensive. But they make some good stuff. And this buzz bait that they came out with, it's called the Jamaica Boa. I wish they made it in a 3/8 ounce, but this is a 1/2 ounce. Just a white and chartreuse Jamaica Boa. I'm going to try to give that a try this spring. And I got some Rage Tail baby bugs. Got them in the blue crawl. Got one in that. And black blue flake, my old standard. I'm going to put them on the back of maybe some finesse jigs. Maybe a Ned rig. Try them out that way. Couple packs of them. Now this stuff's mostly definitely for the this one not as much. This is a 3.75 goat from Z-Man. It's in black and blue. It's a little bit bigger Ned rig size. Probably just put that on a regular shaky head or something like that. But then I got the baby goat, which is 3-inch. Those I can use on the back of a finesse jig. Give them a shot. I didn't have any of these at all, so I bought a few packs. Bought the cream pumpkin and orange in the baby goat. Got that one, and of course this color I'm always catching them on. It's the deal. Another baby goat, so I'm going to give them a shot. Didn't have no Z-Man goats, so picked up a couple packs. Like I said, just replacing that subscription box with just putting the money to something I want to use. This is just a normal Booyah spinnerbait. I wanted to get a smaller 3/8 ounce one with the 2 gold Colorado blades on it. They do good on the rivers that I have around here. So that was it for money I spent on that. Pretty good deal. I'll definitely use, every one of them. So try to do that about once every couple months. Just get a box to replace my subscription box from Tackle Warehouse, and get some stuff I want to get, and not get something they're trying to jam down my throat. Now, something else I did pick up, and this was not part of that deal, but I got the Shimano SLX 150. Um, love these reels. $99 reel. It is right up there with the 200 plus reels. It is smooth as anything, lightweight. Um, bought that one in the 150 six gear ratio. I'm going to put it on one of the Celis rods, which is the budget rod. This is going to be a budget rod combo. SLX was 99, and the Celis rod you can get just for under $50. So I'm going to give that a shot, see how it works out, and I'll give you an update on it. For 150 bucks, that's a pretty good deal. But anyway, that's all I got for right now for that order. Hit that thumbs up. Tell me if you like what I bought to replace the subscription box. Good, bad, the other. Tell me if you want to do that again. See what happens. Subscribe if you want. I'm going to definitely try to get some more videos out of fishing and some non-related unboxings. Views aren't very great on the unboxings, but it's all I got to do when I can't get out on the water. But get out there, catch some fish, get the old Ranger geared up here in a week or so, and get it out on the water. It's just about that time, so hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you want. Hope everybody's safe out there, and I will catch you on the next one. I am out.